Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it when invite friends just disappear from your Facebook. You can't see this option, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your Facebook app and just open it again. So this is the first thing. Another thing you can try, just go to the settings and just check your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just tap on Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again. If you're using mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shut down, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try to update your Facebook. So just go to App Store, just go to search, and in the search you just need to write Facebook. And if you see here update, just tap on update. It means that you have available updates on your Facebook app. So after, it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Facebook. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.